firstly, this is the Painless Performance wiring kit. This is pin number 20130. It's for 1970 to 72 Chevelle Malibu. So I will be putting this, I have no wiring right now. So I'll be putting this in a 1970 Chevelle. I have the instructions. The instructions are pretty elaborate, but I don't have any wiring whatsoever around the outer edge or any light wiring, trunk wiring. This is a completely new harness. So we're gonna see how it goes. This is my first time installing it, so definitely gonna have a learning curve, but you can go from there. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, first step in our instruction manual is to mount the fuse box. I have to drill 2 1/4 holes onto the firewall, so I'll be doing that first. Alright, first thing I have to do is drill the 1/4 holes. I have my drill bit right here. I have to drill a 1/4 hole right there, and a 1/4 hole in the lower left and upper right from the inside of the cockpit in order to mount that fuse box. So I'm gonna be doing that first. Alright, my next step is to mount my fuse box right here into the firewall. So I'll be doing that next. There's 2 holes that need to be drilled. They say that it's a 2-man job, but I'm gonna do my best to see how I can get it done myself. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, this is my little tip for you. They say this step requires a helper right here as far as the 7/16 socket nut. What I did, I didn't have a helper, so I just put a wrench on the end and then screwed it from the inside with a flathead. So that'll get you through. You probably rest up against there, and then on the bottom it rest up against there. And you can just screw it and let this catch, then use it that way. So that's just my tip. That's on page 22 as far as mounting the fuse box. All right, the next step is to connect the accessory, the engine bulkhead, to the engine bulkhead. As you can see right here, I've already started. So I got to tighten that down. This is going to go into the engine harness compartment. All right. This is the wiring harness in the bulkhead, the light section. So this is what I'm gonna have to do is route all these light wires, which is the headlights and everything like that. I'm gonna do that first, and I'm gonna come back to and do the harness for the starter and everything like that. So let's see how it goes. All right, next you can see I have to route from the bulkhead along the wheel well, headlight wiring harness. I have to use these umbrella. So these umbrella clips clip in there, clip in the holes, and then I'll be wrapping them after that. Well, I won't be wrapping them today, but I will be wrapping them. So I'll go from there. They're just asking me to connect the brake wire in the instruction manual. So I'm gonna connect that first. See the brake warning light switch is connected. Crimped it and put some heat shrink on it. So on to the next step. All right, right now I'm routing the wire around the back side, and this is just for the starter wire and everything like that. I had to drill a hole right here, and it's a bracket. So I'm gonna place this bracket on there and then screw it in. So that's gonna route it around the back side.